25 raised to the power 1 by 3. The factors of 125 are here 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25, 5 5s are, and it is 5 1s are. That means 125 can be written as 5 raised to the power of 3 whole raised to the power of 1 by 3. In the place of 125 we write 5 raised to the power of 3. Again here 5 raised to the power of 3 into 1 by 3. 3 get cancelled. 5 is the answer. Here a raised to the power of m whole raised to the power of n is equal to a raised to the power of m into n. Second question is in this one. The second question, again find, question number 2, again find is given. In the find, first problem, 9 raised to the power of 3 by 2, 9 raised to the power of 3 by 2 is given. Okay, for 9 we will take in the rough, it is 3 3s are 9, it is 3 1s are 3. 9 can be written as 3 into 3, which is 3 square. We will write it as 3 raised to the power of 2 whole raised to the power of 3 by 2. Here 3 raised to the power of 2 into 3 by 2. 2 get cancelled. 3 raised to the power of 3. 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27. Okay. Next 32 raised to the power of 2 by 5. Next one please. Next one please. Second bit. 32 raised to the power of 2 by 5. It is 2 by 5. Again we take the factors of 32. It is 2 16s are, 2 8s are, 2 4s are, 2 2s are, and 2 1s are. That means 32 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. That is 2 raised to the power 5. Now here we write 2 raised to the power of 5 whole raised to the power 2 by 5. It is 2 raised to the power of 5 into 2 by 5. 5 get cancelled. 2 raised to the power of 2, which is 4. Here also we use the a raised to the power of m whole raised to the power of n is equal to a raised to the power of m into n. Next one is 16 raised to the power of 3 by 4. Next one is 16 raised to the power 3 by 4 is given. 3 by 4. 16 raised to the power of 3 by 4 is, we will take the factors of 16. It is again 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, it is 2 1s are 2. 16 we will write 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 2 raised to the power 4. Okay, now we write it as 2 raised to the power of 4 whole raised to the power of 3 by 4. 4 get cancelled. 2 raised to the power of 3. It is 2 into 2 into 2, which is 8. Here also a raised to the power of m whole raised to the power of n, a raised to the power of m into n. By using these we are going to do the sums. One more is the question number 4. Question number 4 is 125 raised to the power of 1 by 3. Okay, you do this problem in the homework. Already we have done 125 problem, same is there. Now the third question, in the third question first bit, first bit is there, that is 2 raised to the power. Here also simplify is given. Simplify. First question, 2 raised to the power 2 by 3 into 2 raised to the power 1 by 5. In this question, both the bases are same and the exponents are different. That means we use the law here. A raised to the power of m, a raised to the power of n, a raised to the power of m plus of n. According to this, 2 raised to the power of 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5, it is 2 raised to the power of, take the LCM, 5 and 3 is 15, 3 5s are 15 means multiply by 5, multiply by 3, 5 2s are 10 plus 3, it is 2 raised to the power 13 by 15, 2 raised to the power 13 by 15. Next one, in the third question, again third question, second bit is there. Second bit is 1 by 3 raised to the power of 3 whole raised to the power of 7 is given. Whole raised to the power of 7 is given. Very simple, we will take a raised to the power of m whole raised to the power of n, a raised to the power of m into n. Here we can take 1 by 3 raised to the power 3 into 7, which is 1 by 3 raised to the power 21. Question number third. In the third question, 11 raised to the power 1 by 2 by 11 raised to the power 1 by 4. Here both the bases are same, exponents are different. We can use here a raised to the power of m, a raised to the power of n, a raised to the power of m minus of n. That is 11 raised to the power of half minus 1 by 4. It is 11 raised to the power 4 is the LCM. 2 2s are 4, 4 1s are 4, 2 minus 1, which is 11 raised to the power 1 by 4. The last problem of this exercise is fourth one, that is 7 raised to the power 1 by 2 into 8 raised to the power 1 by 2. Here we use a raised to the power m into b raised to the power m. It is a into b raised to the power m. Okay. Here both the bases are different, but the exponents are same. Here also same, here also same. Therefore, we unite both the bases in one bracket. We will take the single exponent. It is 56 raised to the power 1 by 2. Here we are going to be complete your first chapter, number system. Okay, tomorrow we are going to be start a new chapter. Okay, thank you, and do hard work. Write down in the classwork and show. Okay, bye.